Why do we never talk about how it literally rains diamonds on Uranus and Neptune? The atmospheres of these planets are filled with molecules like methane that contains lots of carbon. Deep down in the planet, the pressures and temperatures are so great that this carbon gets compressed into diamonds. These diamonds then rain down on the planet, eventually even forming a kind of diamond ocean. It's estimated that around 50,000 carats of diamonds are created on Neptune every single second. That would be worth about $500 million here on Earth. So next time you look down at your diamond ring, remember it's not that special, cosmically speaking.